So most of your document verification has been done. Counseling process of NIFT is admission, final is on a final stage now. It will about to start. So today we'll discuss when the counseling will start, then how this counseling will take place, the processing in entire. We have heard it's on Zoom live, so how it will work for students or parents, how helpful it is. Then during the counseling, where you should take admission, how you can opt, those are the things. Another most important point is few of your documents are still pending, or maybe payments are pending. You are not able to contact, mail, or they are not able to receive your call. So I'll start with this point only. See, if it's in pending stage and you have submitted and something there and all, you do not need to worry about it. I keep telling most of you are based on the information only which is given by the management. Today I am revealing it also. You do not need to worry once its submission has been done from your side. If you remember, most of you are contacting me and saying that, sir, I got your number from YouTube and please help me out with this. So it's since some of yours even the amount, everything is verified, the amount is pending. See, if your amount payment has been done and it's pending, do not need to worry about it, because that verification is the NIFT work. They are the back-end work. You have done the payment from your side, so just relax, send them the mail maximum, wait for a few more days. How they have extended a date for other verification, or maybe your documents verification if something is pending, like that it will be done. But one more important information about your counseling. Counseling will start from next week, followed by Master, Bachelor, BF Tech, B Design. So like that the counseling will take place. Now the another information is how it is, So this year counseling is very interesting. It is actually they are trying to do it the same how they were having at centers. So first document verification and your payment, which part is almost done for you. So now on your screen, the all center, all number of the seat, everything will come. The closing of the day, like suppose today is the closing till 200 if they have done the counseling. So that will be updated on NIFT website also. So before next day counseling, if you will have a counseling next day, so you can go and check those number of the seat at center, every center also. If it's not clear, you are not getting it, write in the comment box rather than contacting me over the phone, because many times I miss your call or messages on Instagram and I really felt bad. So I would like you to please send us the message on Ignite_India on our Instagram official page. We will make sure to answer you all your questions, because we have a team there to answer you. Then at the same time you can write in YouTube also, as many as question possibly is possible, we will answer you. That is also the insurity is there. So if this counseling process which I explain you right now how it is, day 1, day 2, day 3, let us know. If somebody is interested to know about NRI process also, make sure you contact us. You write your comment here. We will help you out with that also. And although students belong from the category and you are supposed to submit your documents and all, and you are having any issue, write your comment. Again, I'll introduce you. But the most important thing is, if your document online got verified, do not need to worry about it. Now, if you have done the payment, it is equally the NIFT responsibility is also there. They also want all students to get admission, because you see they extended the date from 13 to 17, 18, 21, 22, then 25. So this is already your college supposed to start in July last week. It's August last week, 1 month delayed, but they are still trying and try to cooperate with everyone, because they understand, so because of this COVID situation, everybody is in problem and trouble. So don't worry, understand the limitation of the management, and this is the managed by the human resource, it's not by the completely the online, and when it is by the technology also, some of the part your documents and all. So if there is a problem, please contact your nearest center, and the next counseling announcement, let's see in the next letter how they give you. And if any query, any question, write here in the comment box also. So this will be the part of your admission. Now slightly we'll discuss about after the admission how they will start the your college life. So if you want to interested, if you want to know more about it, make sure you write in the comment box, yeah, you want to know about it, about your admission, post your admission, how this semester college life will be. So we'll explain you in detail about your college life and the updated information about the counseling, both together in the next video. So if you want to make the video on that and about your the college first semester and the career which NIFT have already planned for you. So if you want to know more, make sure write here in the comment box, share this video with your friends and colleagues or anyone. If somehow, some reason you are not able to decide, should I go for counseling and should I take the admission or not, make sure contact our team and immediately we'll help you out to decide, take the decision, and we will help you in that. That is our promise for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Signing off.